Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing one reliable path. Update the GPU driver and use a modern digital connection. First, open Device Manager and confirm the GPU model, then download the latest driver from the vendor. Once done, ensure the monitor is connected by DisplayPort or HDMI 2. 0+, adapters often degrade signal. Make sure to record your current resolution, refresh rate, and color depth so you can restore settings if needed. This sets a safe baseline. You now perform the core adjustments that deliver visible improvement. In display settings, choose the monitor's native resolution and the highest comfortable refresh rate. This prevents blur from scaling. Next, open the GPU control panel and turn off driver scaling so Windows handles scaling cleanly. Enable 10-bit color if both GPU and panel support it. Finally, run Windows color calibration. Apply an accurate ICC profile from the manufacturer and fine-tune in the GPU panel to align gamma and white point. You finish by locking the improvements and validating them across real use. Create a Windows restore point and save the GPU driver package so you can roll back if needed. Test multiple applications, browser, video player, games, to ensure colors and sharpness are consistent. If you see banding, ghosting, or blur, first swap the cable to a certified DisplayPort/HDMI. Next, try a lower refresh rate. Finally, clean install the GPU driver. This sequence fixes the most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.